we are back in my TV room that I'm working on trying to get together. And when I did my haul video, I shared with you a picture that I purchased from the Goodwill for $4. I'm sorry, $5. And it has a serenity prayer in it. And the serenity prayer has new meaning to me. So anywho, the color goes with my accent wall. I'm not going to go through all that again. If you missed that video, I'm going to link it here. You can go check that out and then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? But in the meantime, this picture frame is a little, what's that? It's a little beat up around the edge, just a little bit. You see that right there? Right there. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to camouflage it with some glitter. And this is extra fine. The color is it onyx? Onyx. This is what we're using. And my plan right now is to just do it kind of thick, just around the edge of the picture frame. Unless I end up seeing somewhere else that needs a little glitter. But honestly, I think with where I'm probably going to put this, it'll be okay just to kind of do the edge. Because my thing is, honey, I tell all the time as it pertains to my decorating and stuff I do in our home. Honey, if you see something that minute or that little that, needs to be fixed, you looking too hard because you looking for something to be wrong and you need to exit the building. Okay? Don't be looking that hard. If you're finding something that simple wrong, you trying to find something wrong. You need to go back to your house. How about that? Okay. And then I'm going to do my weeping willow tree back here. This is my tree with the perfect branches. I also mentioned in my other video that I planted this tree in memory of my mom. And I went outside one day and was at the tree and just barely touched it and it fell over. So it died. But the good thing about it, the way it fell over, it was right there at the root of the tree and none of the branches broke. So what I ended up doing was, because it was so sentimental, I brought it in the house, and it's been living in my kitchen corner since 2016. So because I'm fixing up my TV room and I just want it really, really sweet and special, I want that tree in here with me. Okay, so my plan to enhance that is I want to add a little bit of, here I go again with my chunks of glitter. Ooh, did y'all hear my stomach? Ooh, sound like a barrel. Oh, I'm hungry. Okay. Pardon me. Did y'all hear that? Okay. If y'all hear it again, just ignore it. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Okay. But I love, y'all, I love stuff that's iridescent. Ooh, I love it. I love it. So I'm going to use this iridescent glitter, and I have some extra fine iridescent glitter too, so I think I'm going to use both of them. Both of them. Not both of them, both of them on the tree. And I had thought about doing some of this chunky glitter, this chunky gold glitter. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It's just going to depend on how I'm feeling. And I may have to do the first little application and let it dry and see what it looks like. I don't know. Because I don't want it to be too much. Speaking of which, I'm going to use Mod Podge to apply the glitter. I want it thick. I love the chunkiness of the gold. But I do want it thick and kind of chunky in some places. At least that's what I'm thinking. Okay. And once I start applying it, I may change my mind, but I'm going to use this Mod Podge. I have this sponge brush, and I also have these little brushes like this. So I'm not sure exactly which one I'm going to use yet. I think, oh gosh, my stomach. I think I'm going to use, no, you know what? Let me just start off with this one here for the frame. And see, I'm going to like do like this. And hopefully it'll go around the edge of it kind of thick. So we'll see. So that's what I'm going to start. I'm going to use this one, and then we're going to put the Mod Podge and the glitter and everything in this plate. And then we just going to put it on here and then let it dry. Okay. So I'm just getting ready to do the craft room right now. Well, y'all, the tree and me trying to add the clumps of glitter, that was an epic fail. It was an epic fail. So what I ended up doing, when it dried, I was able to kind of just snap off the little pieces of glue or the chunks of glue with the glitter. So that didn't work out, but you can see some of the little pieces of glue that I left, the glue and glitter that was left on here. A little bit that was left. You can kind of see a little shimmer here and there of glue. But as for those big chunks and hunks, I had to just kind of pop those off. Because what I was seeing in my mind, and what it ended up looking like when I put it on the tree, it was two different things, okay? But that's what happens sometimes when you know, try different little crafts and try to do things. And sometimes you just don't know until you try it, okay? But as for the frame, I like, you guys. Can you see the edge of it? See how that turned out? And it just like goes with the accent wall. And the edge of it that was looking all beat up, you can't even tell it anymore, okay? So, mission accomplished with the frame. But I just wanted to share with you all my little craft project. And again, this is the kind of thing that I do when I get something and it's a little beat up, a little worn. I just, you know, just kind of refurbish it, if you will, okay? All right, so back to working on this room. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just trying to bring you guys along this entire journey with me, and sometimes, you know, like I said, it can take a while, but we're gonna get there, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.